Let me say something that will surprise a lot of you. The biggest career boom in customer experience is not AI, it's not automation, it's not chatbots, it's the merge of CCaaS, unified communications, and CRM into one platform. And if you understand this shift even a little, your next job, your next promotion, even your next six-figure opportunity might come faster than you can even think. So friends, this video is part 2 because many of you asked after I made the video on CCaaS that who are the leaders in this one CX stack race? Where are the real jobs and which skills should I learn first? Let's break it all down. Let's look at section 1 where what's really happening today. And every company on earth is asking the same question. Why do I need 7 tools to talk to one customer? Previously, you had UC, which is Unified Communications for internal communication, CCaaS for contact centers, CRM for customer history, a dozen add-ons for channels, bots, analytics, WFM. Well, now all of them are collapsing into a single customer operating system. Analysts call this the rise of customer engagement platforms, which is also called CEPs, a unified stack where calls, meetings, chat, WhatsApp, routing, CRM, AI sit in one single spine, which means no silos, no swivel chair work, no fragmented journey. And this shift is creating new winners and new career paths at an insane speed. Section 2. Who are the real leaders? I have grouped them into 4 battlegrounds to make it easy for you to understand. Number 1 is UC first giants, which is unified communications, starting from meetings and voice. These are the companies turning internal collaboration into full CX. Microsoft Teams plus Dynamics plus CCaaS partners. Zoom, Cisco WebEx, RingCentral, and 8 into 8, all with that advantage that they already control the employee communication layer. But now, what they want to do is to own the customer layer as well. Number 2 is CCaaS first players, starting from contact center. These companies are building the true customer operating system, which is Genesys, NICE, Five9, Talkdesk, AWS Connect. They are adding digital channels, AI routing, workforce management, real-time analytics. They sync CRM and UC integrations as well. These players will dominate AI-driven customer experience for the next decade. Number 3 is CRM first giants, starting from data and workflows. On the CRM side, Salesforce, Service Cloud, Zendesk, HubSpot, Oracle, Microsoft Dynamics, they all control customer identity plus cases. Now they are integrating voice, chat, WhatsApp, even CCaaS inside their own CRMs. Their goal here is to become the single pane of glass that agents live in. Number 4 is the CXS layer, which is the new managed service model. This is where BPOs, telecom companies, and service integrators enter the game. They bundle platform plus people plus processes plus AI and deliver customer experience as an outcome, better known as NPS, with higher FCR, which is first call resolution, lower cost to serve, and more revenue. This is the fastest growing outsourcing model in the world. Moving on to section 3, and now let's talk about what really matters to you and where are the real jobs and how do you get them. Here are the 7 hottest roles in the 1CX stack world. Number 1 is CX Solutions Architect. This is the most in-demand role. You design the entire CX blueprint. Which channels, which CCaaS, which UC, how it integrates with CRM, journey maps, business outcomes. If you understand even 2 of these 3, UC, CCaaS, CRM, you are ready and you are in fact already on the top 1% of candidates. Number 2 is CCaaS UC Integration Engineer. You are the new network engineer of the AI CX era. You connect teams with contact centers, Zoom with Salesforce, Genesys with WhatsApp, NICE with AI bots. If you know SIP, routing, APIs, webhooks, your demand is going to be skyrocketing. Number 3 is Conversation Designer journey orchestrator. As AI rises, companies are requiring smarter conversational flows. This is perfect for people with UX thinking, script writing, basic logic, and also customer empathy. You design the digital front door for them. And number 4 is customer data and insights analyst. This is CFO's favorite role. You combine CCaaS data, calls, chats, UC data where collaboration of metrics is needed, CRM data, sales, CSAT, churn, and AI insights with sentiment and next best action, and show real ROI, which is return on investment. For example, +2 NPS, which is an improvement, +20% FCR, and a reduced cost to serve. This role grows faster than any traditional MIS or a workforce management job. Number 5 is CX product manager, platform owner. Every company now needs someone who owns the entire CX stack. Future roadmap, integrations, AI activation, change management. This is a high visibility and a leadership track role. Number 6 is CXS delivery lead. Huge opportunity for BPO talent. Great for operations leaders. You run client CX end to end with platform, process, quality, AI. This is the new outsourcing gold mine. And the last is industry specific CX strategist. Domain plus CX tech, which is an unbeatable combination. Whether it's banking, healthcare, telecom, retail, or utilities, if you know industry journeys plus CCaaS, CRM systems, my friend, you are rare, you are valuable, and you are future proof. Moving on to section 4, what you should be learning first. Here's a simple 3-step practical roadmap to get ahead of 99% of the market today. Step 1 is pick your lane. Ask, am I more technical, more operations focused, more business oriented? Step 2 is learn one tool from each side. UC, which is Microsoft Teams or Zoom, CCaaS, Genesys or AWS, or even Five9, CRM, Salesforce or Dynamics. Remember, even a free course or a sandbox experience makes you instantly employable. Step 3 is speak the language of outcomes. Don't talk about omni-channel, IVR, routing, ACD. These are all semantics. Talk about 20% faster resolution, 15% lower cost, +3 NPS. This is how you stand apart when you talk the outcome language. This convergence of UC plus CCaaS plus CRM is not a tech trend. It's a career mega trend. And people who understand this early, who learn one stack, who understand one domain, who speak the language of customer outcomes will lead the next decade of CX leadership. If you want me to create detailed roadmap for each of the 7 roles or a video on exact certifications that you should be taking, tell me in the comments CX map and I'll make it for you. This is Wisdom Room and my mission is simple: to help you get ahead before the world catches up.